Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ApnaFUNDA Online. This is the fourth video on percentage chapter, percentage 4. In case if you have not watched our previous videos on percentage topic and questions, or if you have missed, kindly watch the videos percentage 1, 2 and 3. The link is in the description box. Also, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel ApnaFUNDA Online to ensure that you don't miss a single video on this topic. If you have any query, doubts, or anything that you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. In the description box, there are also links to our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page. Click on the links and follow our page for daily updates. In this video, percentage video 4, we will start with the next set of questions on percentage. We did few basic level questions in previous videos. We are going to level up and solve few questions in this video. Kindly keep your copies ready, take a pen and solve along with me. Let's begin. First question. 45% of a number is 30 less than 3/5 of that number. What is the number? So let the number be x. 45% of a number. So 45% of x. 45 by 100 into x is 30 less than 3/5 of that number. 3/5 of that number. Less means subtraction. This is the expression that we have to start with. So let's solve this. 920. So this becomes 3x by 5 minus 9x by 20 equals to 30. This is how we're going to solve. 12x minus 9x divided by 20 is equals to 30. So 3x by 20 gives us 30. So x is equal to 30 into 20 divided by 3. X is equal to 10 into 20. So x is equal to 200. This is my answer. I hope you have solved along with me and this is the answer that you have got. Next question. A jug contains 5,000 liters of water. If 6% of water is leaked, find how many liters of water are left in the jug. So very simply, if 6% of water is leaked, that means 94% is remaining. So what we can do is 94%, 94 by 100 into 5,000. We can directly do this. So 94 into 50. This should give me 4,700. This is my answer. You can also solve like first, you find out what is 6% of 5,000, which is 300. And then out of the total, you minus 300 and you get 4,700. In either case, the answer is 4,700. I hope you have solved along with me and this is the answer you have got. Next question. The value of a machine depreciates every year by 10%. If its present value is 50,000, then what is the value of the machine after 2 years? Very simply, it's a first year. 10% of 50,000 is 5,000, right? And in the second year, so the machine value at the end of the first year becomes 45,000. In the second year, 10% of 45,000 is 4,500. So the final machine value becomes 40,500. This is how we solve a depreciation question. However, in this question, it is not mentioned that the depreciation is fixed or is it fluctuating. There are two kinds of depreciation. One is fixed and one is fluctuating. In case of fixed, what happens that the depreciation is on the initial value of the machine. In case of fluctuating, it is on the present value of the machine. So this we have done the fluctuating value of depreciation. This gives me 40,500. In case if we go for the fixed depreciation, so in the first year it is 10% of 50,000, that is 5,000. So the final value becomes 45,000. In the second year it is 10% of again 50,000, again 5,000, final value becomes 40,000. Depreciates means there is a value of a machine and there is a depreciation which gives me a final value. So this is the depreciation. Our final value, our present value was 50,000. 50,000 minus 5,000 gives me 45,000. And in the second year as well, when we calculate the depreciation, we minus the depreciation from the previous value or the present value. I hope you have solved along with me. In this case, the answer is 40,000 because it is not mentioned whether the depreciation is fixed or fluctuating. So we go for the fixed. Next question, a person's salary increased from 7,200 to 8,100. What is the percentage increase in his salary? This is a simple percentage increase question. From 7,200, it has gone to 8,100. So 8,100 minus 7,200 divided by old value 7,200 into 100. This is change. This is change. This is old value into 100. So change is 900 divided by 7,200 into 100. This gives me 12.5% is my answer. I hope you have solved along with me and this is the answer that you have got. Next question, what is a discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 10? When you get such a question, when you don't know the value, just simply assume the number to be 100. So first discount of 10% will means 10, that means the value becomes 90. The second discount of 10% means 9, that means the value will become 81. So this is my first value, this is my last value. So there's a difference of 19. So my answer is 19%. I hope you have solved along with me. Similarly, find a single discount to a discount series of 10%, 20%, 25%. Just assume the number to be 100. First discount of 10%, that is 10 rupees. So the value is 90. Second discount of 20%, that is the value is 18. This becomes 72. The third discount of 25%. So 25%, uh, just solve 25%, 18. 72 minus 18 will give me 54. So this is my first value. This is my last value. So from 100, it has gone to 54. So there's a discount. There is a reduction of 46. So the discount is equivalent to 46%. I hope you have solved along with me and you have got this answer. Next question. An article which is marked at rupees 975 is sold at 897. What is the discount percent? So the marked price is 897. The selling price is, sorry, the marked price is 975 and the selling price is 897. So what is the discount? We'll solve such questions in our profit and loss chapter. You can check out the profit and loss videos for more questions on mark price, selling price, discount, cost price, profit and loss. So our discount in this case 975 minus 897 is 78. So discount percent formula is discount by, it is always on the mark price, into 100. In this case it is 78 divided by 975 into 100. This is equal to 8%. This is my final answer. I hope you have solved along with me and got this answer. We'll solve more questions on mark price, selling price, discount, profit and loss in the profit and loss videos. You can go and check it out. If 50% of x minus y is equal to 40% of x plus y, then what percent of x is y? What it says is 50% of x minus y is equals to 40% of x plus y. Let's solve this. So x minus y divided by 2 is equals to 2 by 5 into x plus y. Now 5 into x minus y is equals to 2, 2 into 2, that means 4 into x plus y. Now let's open the brackets and solve it. 5x minus 5y is equals to 4x plus y, sorry, 4x plus 4y. So 5x minus 4x is equals to 4y plus 5y. We take the x on the left side and y on the right side. So x is equals to 9y. So the question was, what percent of x is y? So x is 9y. So x is equals to 9 times of y. That means y is equals to x by 9. That is 1/9. 1/9 is equals to 11.11%. If you are practicing the percentage values as I taught you in percentage video 2, you will immediately guess the answer as 11.11. I hope this is the answer you have got with me. Next question, if salary of X is 20% more than salary of Y, then by how much percent is salary of Y less than X? So let the salary of Y be 100. So X, so if the salary of Y is 100, salary of X 20% more becomes 120. How much percent is salary of Y less than X? So less is 20, tan X means the base is X 120 into 100, 1 by 6. You will immediately guess it is 16.67%. I request you to watch my percentage video 2 in case if you have not watched, and learn how to solve percentage values fast. You need to memorize and daily practice certain percentage values. It will help you to have a perfect command of such values immediately, that you will solve it very easily. Next question. In an exam, the passing mark percentage is 40%. If a student gets 65 marks and fails by 3 marks, find the maximum marks. Maximum marks means the total marks, let's say, of a particular subject, or the total marks of an exam. If a student gets 65 marks and fails by 3 marks, that means 65 marks if he's still failing by 3 marks. So if I add 3, that means 68 marks. This is the passing mark, which is actually 40% passing mark percentage. So let the maximum marks be X. 40% of X, that is the passing percentage of 40 of the maximum marks X, is equals to 68, right? 2, 5. X is equals to 68 into 5 by 2. So X is equals to 34 into 5. So X is equal to 170. This is the answer that I have got. I hope you have solved along with me and you have arrived at this answer. Next question. In an objective type paper of 150 questions, Kabir got 80% correct answers. Sonam got 64% correct answers. What percent of Sonam's correct answer to Kabir's correct answer? So we know that there are two people, Kabir and Sonam. They both gave an exam, sorry, where the total number of questions were 150. Kabir got 80% right, Sonam got 64% right. So 80% of 150 in case of Kabir and 64% of 150 in case of Sonam. So Kabir got 120 correct answers and Sonam got 96 correct answers. So we now arrive that Kabir has made 120 questions correct and Sonam has got 96 questions correct. What percent of Sonam's correct answer to Kabir's correct answer? So what we want to find is 96 divided by 120 into 100. This is what we want to find. It's a 8 into 10, 80%. This is the answer that I have got. I hope you have solved along with me and you have also got the same answer. Next question, the cost of a TV is first increased by 30 and then decreased by 20. Find the percentage change in the cost of TV. So let the cost of the TV be 100, increased by 30%, that is plus 30, 130, then decreased by 20%. So 20% of 130, that is 26 minus 26. So 130 minus 26 will give me 104. This is the original cost. This is the final cost. So the difference that I see is 4 rupees. So the percentage change will be 4%. I hope this is the answer that you have got. Next question, 5% of people in a city died due to a common flu and 3% of the remaining left the city. If 2,76,450 people are still left in the city, find the original number of people in the city. This is a little complicated calculation question. You will need to solve every step to arrive at the answer. So let's solve. Now let the original number of people in the city be X. First part, 5% of people 5% of people died due to a common flu. That is 5% of X died. So we are talking about X by 20 died. So how many are remaining? Remaining is x minus x by 20. This will become 19x by 20. This is the number of people remaining. In the second part, 3% of the remaining left the city. We already know what is the remaining number of people in the city. That is 19x by 20. 3% of the remaining left the city. So in the second part, 3% of remaining left the city. So this will give me 57x by 2000. I hope you are able to follow. We cannot do any calculation over here. So we have to bring our expressions as 57x by 2000. So what is remaining? So our remaining will come from the previous remaining minus the number of people who left the city. Correct? Now if we solve this, 2000, this will become 1900x minus 57x. This will be 1843x divided by 2000. This is the number of people now remaining who are still left in the city. This is equal to 2,76,450 people. 2,76,450 people. Now we have to solve for x. 2,76,450 people into 2000 divided by 1843. Now you have to solve this. You have to be very quick, very fast. 150. So x is equal to 150 into 2000. So x will be equal to 3 lakh. This is my final answer. I hope you have followed along with me, and this is the answer that you have got. Next question. The monthly income of Ram is 16,000. 15% of it is paid as income tax, and 75% of the remainder is spent on food, rent, clothing, etc. How much money is still left with Ram? It's a simple question. His monthly income is 16,000, which is already given. 16,000. 15% is paid as income tax. So he pays income tax of 15% and 70, and then there is a remainder of 85%. And of the remaining 85%, 75% is spent on food, rent, clothing. So 75% of this is what he spends. What we need to find 25%. If 75% of the remainder he's spending, so 25% of the remainder is left with him. I hope you are able to follow me. I'll repeat. His monthly income is 16,000. The first part is that he pays 15% tax. So he is left with 85% of the income. Of the 85% of the income, he is spending 75% on food, rent, clothing. So how much is left with him? So if 75% he's spending, 25% is left with him. So can we write this as 85% of 16,000 and then 25% of this will give me my final answer. This will give the amount that is still left with Ram. Let's solve this. 3,400 is my final answer. I hope you have solved and followed along with me, and this is the answer you have got. I end the video here. We'll solve more questions in our next video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Ensure you don't miss a single video on this topic. So subscribe to our channel ApnaFUNDA Online. You also follow us on social media platforms for daily updates from ApnaFUNDA Online. The links are in the description box. Stay tuned to ApnaFUNDA Online for more educational videos. Thank you.